Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. In this edition of today's newspaper on a Friday, yes, it's still Friday, January the 27th, 2023, and yes, almost weekend. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, and this one will be number, I believe, 5865. 5865. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Yeah. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 4 stars puzzle has I need 30 minutes, but it's an easy one, so should be faster than the 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so that box should be a 1. More dual boxes here? No. Triple boxes then. I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, 1 and the 2, could be everywhere. Well, when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Triple box, do we have more triple boxes? Not quadra boxes then. I see here quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here another quadra box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes here. A quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Then the following shape, how about yeah, which shape shall I draw? How about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction. When you see the Z construction, if you rotate this, you will get the Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. The Z or the S construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So in this case, it's the 4 or a 5. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Remember, if you see this kind of shape, figure, structure or construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. It's a 1, okay. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and 3 in this square box. Alright. Then that means that this box can be a 2 or a 3. Because we have a 2 and a 3 over there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot place the 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 that you left in this area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, can be here because we already have a 3 there. So only 1 place left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Then this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 4 numbers, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I've marked this box with 4 and 5, but we already have a 4 here in the same area. So this box should be a 5 then. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. But also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 1, can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. We go here. Okay, then let me see. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So the final 2 numbers in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars a puzzle because I'm faster than 15 minutes and I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend then. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow. Weekend. Bye-bye for now.